Building a blog can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, it doesn't have to be. We'll show you how easy it is to build a blog for yourself or your business. One of the most popular tools you will find when you research how to build a blog or a website is WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is a software that helps you create a blog, website, or app. It is a content management system. This means that WordPress allows you to manage the content of your website without any technical knowledge required. Launched in 2003, WordPress is the world's most popular content management system today, with over 40% of all websites on the internet using WordPress. That's 2 in every 5 websites using WordPress. It's also open source software, giving programmers around the world the freedom to make changes and improve it, ensuring that WordPress is constantly evolving. There are thousands of WordPress themes available to help you design the best possible blog or website that you can, aided by an equally impressive plugin library that helps enhance the functionality of your website. Apart from the customization and functionality available with themes and plugins, you also get a search engine optimization-friendly platform which is easily scalable. And finally, you can have your blog up and running on WordPress within minutes. All of this makes WordPress the best platform to build your blog on. Please check out our next video, where we will show you how to install and set up your WordPress website. For more content on how to build and grow your WordPress website, please subscribe to our channel.